modded by Otis. Oh, damn. This probably used to be something really cool. See what it looks like out here. No, it's modded here too. I like that old door though. Ah, man. Bummer. It's got modded. Anyway, at least the lobby's all cool. There's two pianos. Oh, there's the old switchboard. Okay, now we'll take a look at that. GH. Real fast. Old switchboard. Safe. That's good.